This is our review of the Mingda Magician X 3D printer. The setup process from start to finish took around 20 minutes. This is by far the easiest out-of-the-box setups we have had. One of the unique features of this printer is that there is no manual bed leveling knobs. All you need to do is hit level and wait for the hot end to probe set points on the bed. The video is sped up, but the process is very quick. Once leveled, we then preheated the hot end, cut the filament at an angle and fed it into the machine by pressing the load button a few times until filament started to ooze out the nozzle. After that, we started a print we had already sliced earlier. We later tested the models that came pre-loaded on the SD card. We will show both of these models at the end of the video. Using the baby step button, you are able to raise or lower the height of the nozzle during the first layer if you are having issues with bed adhesion. In our case, the auto leveling had leveled the bed perfectly, so this wasn't needed. Overall, we have been very impressed with the printer and believe it offers good value for money and is especially suitable for those looking to get into 3D printing for the first time. The only negative we found is that most of the printer is made using plastic instead of metal. However, this may actually be a good thing. The money Mingda saved using plastic is passed on to the customer and also allowed them to add some fairly sophisticated hardware. For example, the spring sensor on the hot end is a nice touch. The sensor can detect when the nozzle is touching the bed due to the force exerted on the sensor. The printer also supports USB, full-sized SD cards, and USB Type-C. Until we tested the Magician X, we didn't realize how annoying micro SD cards can be. The body also has a compartment for the tools that come with the printer and slots for spare SD cards. This is the final result. The quality is very impressive considering that this is straight out of the box and no settings have been changed. As for the pre-loaded model, the quality is amazing. We would like to thank Mingda for providing the printer for our review. All of the opinions in this video are our own.